to date when you've got the girls.
Spice up your girls' night in with these 3 hacks for Palentine's Day. So the first thing we need to try is making our own glitter nail polish. Okay, so we've got 2 clear nail polishes, 2 choices of glitter.
Ooh la la.
And basically all you have to do is dunk the brushes in the glitter and then back in the nail polish.
Oh, it's quite nice.
I find it works if you sort of pat it on as opposed
yeah, it's a
to...
bit gloopy otherwise because of the bits, but I quite
does
like
work.
it. I feel like a princess.
I like the effect.
I love that mould. That looks like
Oops.
proper mermaid central going on over here.
That is mermaid.
I'm actually really feeling yours.
I am too.
I'm
Thanks,
feeling
Faye.
it. Oh, hun, I'm
Cheers for the
sorry.
support.
It's okay,
Sorry,
babe.
Mel.
You've got me.
Elisa tried.
You did.
You did try.
And you know what? It's the trying that counts.
Exactly.
Maybe this is the kind of thing that's better if your friend does it for you.
Yeah, I think so.
Right, I think we've got enough glitter on us.
100%.
Let's
all
take
over
a
you.
nail selfie. So now it's time to try the next hack, which is making your own foot soap.
Oh.
Yes, I know. It's pretty easy. All you've got to do is add the following ingredients to some warm water, and there you go. So the first thing we need to add is sea salt. And then the next ingredient is Epsom salt. And then the last one is baking soda.
Do you know what? Boomerang.
Yeah.
Boomerang that'd look good.
That'll be good on the old Insta.
Good on the
look
post,
at it at the end.
wouldn't it?
And then finally, tea tree oil. I've completely forgotten. We have to make it look pretty.
Obviously,
get it on the
it's going
grid.
on the
It's going on
Insta.
the grid. It needs to look
And
cute.
the way we do that, believe it or not, is food colouring.
Oh, okay.
It's
I
not.
mean, it
Oh.
might look as if you've had an
Okay,
injury.
no, just bear with me on this one.
Well, I think we may have put a bit too much food colouring in here, guys.
Yeah,
You
it doesn't look amazing,
No.
but at least it smells.
It smells great.
It smells
really
hot.
It smells great.
Smells good.
Right, girls, it's time to get a picture for the grid. The final hack is DIY glitter face masks. Glitter's everywhere, so it only seems right. We all have different masks that we're going to try and we'll see which one works best. I've got the T-Zone Charcoal and Bamboo Black Peel-Off Mask.
I've got the Simply Pure Leave-On Water Mask and a pot of glitter to go with that.
And I have the Superdrug Manuka Honey Peel-Off Mask.
To do this, we squeeze our mask into a little pot. In it goes, lovely jubbly. Let's sprinkle this in. Some of that, lovely. So once you've mixed in your glitter, it's time to start applying to the face. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You've got it. You've got it.
Have
You
I
look
nailed
like,
it?
You look like a
Have I
midnight
nailed it?
sky, babe. Okay, right, our hands are washed. Let's take a selfie.
Yes.
Obviously.
Okay, Mom, you've got the longest arms.
Okay. Always get very taken in. Ready, girls? That's definitely one for the grid, let me tell you.
Oh my gosh, no filter needed.
No, hashtag no filter.
As you can see, we've had a great time.
Don't forget to tag us in your Instagram selfies and let us know what you'll be getting up to this Palentine's Day.
Bye.